Welcome back inside my wardrobe. In this video, I want to show you how to deal with wooden veneer for your diorama projects. Veneer essentially is a very thin slice of wood. You can compare a wood structure to a bunch of straws grouped together. They will resist bending perpendicularly across the wood grain, but any movement along will snap it almost instantly. If your veneer comes cracking, there is a way to prevent further damages. Find all splitting spots and drill holes at the beginning of every split. Round shape is structurally more sound than straight cut, which will focus tension in one point. Warpage can occur during shipping or even in your drawer just because of moisture inside your house. So now it's time to make it flat. For that you will need paper kitchen towels, glass of water, brush or a sponge, and something flat, long enough that your veneer could fit between. Spread the water on the surface and wait few seconds for it to saturate. When wood is saturated in both sides, put it between a few layers of kitchen towels. It will pull water out of the wood. Then cover it with something flat and use wood clamps or anything heavy, like books, to press it down. This process can take a whole day or two depending on how warped your wood is and if you need to repeat it. And after that, you end up with nice straight sheet ready for next step, cutting. Here I have 0.4 thin slice of palisander. Wood thin as that can be cut just by a hobby knife, although you can use dedicated veneer saw, if you can get one. But in both cases, always send cuts in the middle. Your blade can tear out a part of wood where it do not have any support. In woodworking there is a term sacrificial, which basically means that when you somehow need to cut this way, you can try to put sacrificial slice under the main sheet, and with that support for wood grain and some glue tape, you may achieve good result. It's also better to cut in few lighter passes than in a single strong one. Some good metal ruler is a must so your blade will not jump around. When it comes to gluing, you have three options: CA and accelerator, double-sided tape, and wood PVA. To finish the corners and make it flush with the terrain, you can use sandpaper and rotary tool. One tricky thing is if you use sandpaper, sand the whole face of veneer, or you will end up with blotchy surface. In my opinion, the best way to finish a corner is to use little planer tool. It will slice excess of veneer without interference in wood texture. It's basically the same exact process that is used to make veneer in the first place. Before you apply any paint or texture paste, it's good to protect wood from pigment that can soak inside and tint veneer permanently. Here you can see how paint affects raw surface and a finished one with Rubio monocoat. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you to step up your hobby game and make your models even better. If you liked it, please share it with your friends. It will help me to build this channel. And don't forget to subscribe so we can see each other next time in my wardrobe.